Good morning to everybody who decided to stay till now. Well, when I saw the agenda of this conference and when I saw that my presentation is located in the panel ready to use products, I thought myself, well, it's not good. However, after a few seconds, I thought myself, wait a minute. I'm working at the university and our mission is to teach the students. So in other words, our mission is to give for the markets well-educated engineering staff for the purpose of different companies. So everything is okay. And now I would like to say a few words about some opportunities and challenges for teaching of smart wireless technologies. And especially I would like to focus on my faculty, and I would like to talk how we implemented the IQRF technology in our education program. So again, my name is Jarosław Domaracki, and thank you to be here. So, because I'm for the first time at this conference, I would like to introduce my faculty and my university. So, I came from Wroclaw. It is one of the biggest cities in Poland. It is located at the north of Poland, near the border with the Czech Republic. And it is a very nice and old city. It is sometimes called Venice of the North because we have 25 rivers and channels, 12 islands, and more than 200 bridges. Around the Wrocław, many industries located their business, like Lenovo, Siemens, Toshiba, LG, and so on. So actually, they are your customers, and they are future employers of our students. So Wrocław has 650,000 citizens, and during the academic year, this number is increasing even up to 800,000. So Wrocław is also a strong academic place. We have 11 public universities and 17 private universities and academia. And my university, Wrocław University of Science and Technology, is one of them. And in Polish it is called Politechnika Wrocławska. It is one of the largest academic schools in Poland. We have even up to 30,000 students. It depends on the year. And we have more than 2,000 research and teaching staff. The university is composed from 16 different faculties, and my faculty actually is one of the youngest and one of the smallest faculties. It is called Faculty of Microsystem, Electronics and Photonics. It was founded in 2001 as a result of dividing of the old electronics department into two parts. So we are the one part, and the remaining part is still the electronics department. So as I mentioned, my faculty is one of the smallest one, and we have usually around 700 students, and also we have about 40 PhD students, that is the students on the third level of studies. So our academic staff counts of about 60 persons, including professors, adjuncts, and assistants. So what do we teach at our faculty? So as I mentioned, our roots are in the electronics department. So we teach general electronics and some related fields, including AT technology. But what is unique for our university and for my faculty is that we teach the students the electronics technology. We have some special laboratories, clean rooms, where students can learn how to build the electronic device from the very beginning, from the substrate to the ready device. So it is quite unique, not only in Poland, but I think also in some, for some European countries. So that gives the students some versatile knowledge in the electronics and the related fields, so that the students can find a job in different areas, starting from the electronics companies to the automotive and in the information technologies. So we have offer for the students the 2 degrees of studies, and the first degree of studies includes electronics and telecommunication and the mechatronics. And on the second degree of studies, we have 3 directions: electronics and telecommunication, microsystem, and mechatronic microsystem engineering. Of course, we have different types of courses connected directly with electronics, and not only with electronics, also with computer science, optoelectronics, microsystems, and so on. And the courses are developed in such a way that the students have versatile knowledge, and that makes that they are very flexible for the demanding job market. So now I would like to focus my talk especially on the course that is connected with wireless technologies. That is the wireless system. I am the supervisor of this course, and this course is divided into two parts, lectures and practical skills for the students. And the main objectives of this course is to give the students the knowledge about some fundamentals of data transmission and wireless systems, about the different protocols and standards. And also the practical part of this course gives the possibility for the students to gain the knowledge about designing the wireless system, about how to use different standards and protocols, and also that gives them the possibility to work on their own project, which is usually wireless network and connecting this network to the internet. So our journey with the IQRF technology starts about 3 years ago, and the first steps were signing the agreement between our school and the IQRF Alliance. So now we are a member of the IQRF Alliance, and we also joined the IQRF Smart School program. And then in March 2017, we launched our faculty website that is dedicated to the IQRF Smart School program, where students can read about this program, some news about this program, and other information. And what we did next was organization of the workshop at our university. It was co-organized with the IQRF. The first workshop was in November 2017, and it was divided into two parts, into the lectures, presentations, and the practical training for the students. And in these first workshops, we had 62 participants, including 34 students from 6 technical universities in Poland, and also we have many representatives from industries, including, of course, IQRF Tech. So the next workshop was organized a year later, in the last year, also in November, and it was also co-organized with IQRF Tech, and it was also divided into the lectures and the practical training. And this workshop has some local formula. It was dedicated to our students from my faculty. And I hope that also in this year we will be able to organize such workshop. And of course you are invited if you would like to make a presentation, if you would like to say about your technology, if you would like to share with us, with your experience, so you are invited. So the next step was updating of our laboratory base in order to teach the students the IQRF technology. So for that purpose, we bought several kits from IQRF Tech, starting from transceivers through different types of kits, ending on the gateways, and also we bought some upboards from ION. So that allowed us to develop some extended IQRF kits for IT solutions, and currently we have 6 such small boxes with different equipment and 2 bigger ones with upboards. We also developed some simple board where students can place different models and they can manipulate with them, or even connect to the charger if possible. So this equipment allows us to run different types of exercises with IQRF technology, starting from some bases of the IQRF mesh network, then connecting different types of equipment, sensors, relays, and so on, and ending on the connection of the created IQRF mesh network to the internet. So up to now, also 3 diploma theses were run, connected strictly with this IQRF technology, and at present 1 diploma thesis is running that is dedicated to wireless air quality monitoring system in the teaching rooms. So today we could hear that this subject is very interesting and is very important. And this project is based on the sensor that we bought from IQ Home, and the data are transmitted through the gateway to the IQRF cloud, and the visualization of the data is made using a Node-RED platform. So, backing to the title of my presentation, so major opportunities for learning of smart wireless technologies. So, there are different types of lectures that we offer for our students, including electronics, telecommunications, and so on. Then students have the opportunity to attend to the lectures and some practical trainings at our laboratory of wireless system technologies. Students can attend to workshops that we organize. They can realize their own projects and diploma theses, and also they can work as a team in different projects within students' scientific associations. However, we have also some challenges for teaching of smart wireless technologies, and I have 2 points here. I think the most important things. I think that all we know that the market around us is rapidly changing. So that makes that we have to update continuously our knowledge, and we also have to update the course of our programs of teaching the students. So it is actually quite demanding. And the second point actually is addressed to the manufacturers, because without your help and without your support, so we will not be able to teach the student the newest things. So I think that is very, very important that we have a kind of cooperation. Yesterday, many people said that you need to cooperate with each other to make some different kind of projects. And I think it is also important that universities have to cooperate with the manufacturers to be up to date with the newest technologies, with the newest ideas, the projects, and so on. So you are every time invited to give some lectures, to attend to some workshops, seminars, to share with us your ideas, your solutions. It is also a very good occasion for you to make a presentation of your firm and your company, and also about your products. I think it is a kind of advancement, and this is a good way that students will know about your company, about your product, and in the future they can use it. So you are invited to cooperate with us and with other universities, of course. So at the end of my presentation, I would like to especially thank to Piotr Antończyk, who is my contact point with the IQRF. So I thank him for his great support in helping me in teaching the students of the IQRF technology, and for his advices in updating our laboratory base, thanks so that we can teach the students now the IQRF technology. So here I have my email, so if you have any suggestions, so please contact with me. Actually, I'm hungry for your ideas, for your suggestions, so you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Any questions? Actually, I really appreciate your point about, let's say, cooperation between the business and the universities. And definitely we as IQRF Alliance would be very happy to, let's say, transfer the message from you to the members, like that you have an event that actually the members can participate, they can give the lectures, they can give the presentation workshops. So we are quite active in this, and we will be very happy actually to involve also the companies, the members. So definitely let us know if you know about any event, and we will be also happy that if you bring your students, let's say, to our events, right?
Yes, of course. I think this event is a very good occasion to exchange some knowledge, to exchange some experience, and this is also a very good occasion for me to learn from you about the newest technologies, newest solutions. So I'm very happy to be here, and thank you very much for your invitation for this conference.
No, we appreciate it. And one more thing about the startups. So can you see any, let's say, startups in the IoT area, like coming from your university?
Well, actually, I'm not sure if we have any startup connected with IoT technology. But of course, it's possible, and I think that stronger cooperation with the university and the manufacturers makes that in the future that will be possible. And why not?
Yeah, definitely. One point is that we have a program from startup companies.
Oh, okay.
So actually they can join the alliance. They can be here. It's completely free of charge. So that's one point. So we can help, let's say, your students to get into the business. We can introduce them to the companies. I talked to, let's say, CTO of Jablotron yesterday, and they are happy to cooperate with this kind of companies. They have plenty of work for them. For the hardware development, so there are opportunities that we can bring them, and then we can help them.
Okay, thank you very much. This is a great idea. So I will tell about it to my students.
And please do so. And frankly speaking, like the project, for example, the project that we presented yesterday, it was with the support of this kind of startups. You know, that young guys from the universities actually. Having their startups based on actually our support, and now they are key elements of our projects, you know, so it works really well. So let's work on this together.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any questions? No? So thanks a lot, Heros.
Thank you.